Let me show you how to manage dual SIM cards on your Google Pixel 11, also 11 Pro. So first go to your settings, and in settings, network and internet, then on the SIMs. And you see currently I have two SIM cards. So I have one eSIM here and also one physical SIM card. So yep, on this phone we can use two SIM cards at the same time. However, if you purchase this phone in USA, you only will be able to use two eSIMs. On the USA model, we do not get a physical SIM card. So if you want to manage it, so if you click, for example, on the SIM card here, as you can enable a bunch of settings for it. And if you want to choose which SIM card gets chosen for which action, so you have it here. So you can, I suggest to actually pick this ask every time when you are making call. For text, again, you can choose which SIM card you want to use, and also for mobile data as well, you can simply select. Okay, like.